guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix SweatCoin not counting steps. So let's get started. So if your SweatCoin application stopped counting your steps, that means you have a problem. So what you can do is you can easily fix those problems by following the steps. So what you have to do is just simply tap on hold on to your SweatCoin application and then tap on this eye icon, which is your app info. After tapping on that, just simply tap on permissions. After tapping on your permissions, now what you have to do is you just have to make sure that you have allowed your physical activity. So if your physical activity is turned off, that means it can't start counting steps on SweatCoin. So what you can do is just simply allow it. So after allowing this option, you will fix your problem. So what you can do is just simply go ahead and do it, and that should fix your problem. But if that does not fix your problem, then what you have to do is just simply tap on storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. And by clearing your cache, this should fix your problem. But even this does not fix your problem, then you just have to open up your Play Store and in search bar you have to search for SweatCoin. After searching for that, now you will find this application. What you can do is just simply check if it has an update. So if your SweatCoin has an update, what you can do is just simply update it, and this should fix your problem. So that's it guys. By following these steps, you will fix your problem on SweatCoin. So that's it guys, this is how to fix SweatCoin not counting steps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.